Hello everyone, it's me, Beau. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your ink in your Epson printer. Now, first of all, make sure the bottom of the two levels is propped open, not that one right there, but rather the bottom one, okay? Now, in order to have that whole thing slide to the left, you're going to have to go into settings. Make sure that you are on the home, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right. You're going to click on maintenance right there. And now the very bottom option that says ink cartridge replacement, select that, just click next, and then you're going to click start. At that point, it's going to be going through the processing routine, and this will slide all the way over to the left. Go ahead and depress the blue tab on the ink cartridge that you will be replacing, and it'll kind of pop up like so. Pull that out. Be careful, it can be drippy, and this ink is pretty intense. Go ahead and get your replacement cartridge, of which is probably in a little plastic package. Be sure to remove any kind of protector like this bright orange guy right there. Now we are going to identify where the sensor is. See that little gold green area? That's going to be facing you. Go ahead and put it back to front, situated in like so, and then a nice little satisfying click you will hear. And that is pretty much it. Go ahead and verify that you did replace it. Click completed. And that is pretty much it. You are safe to go ahead and close your printer. You're welcome.